College Univero Session 4 kecemptip nama ta ka result kepada jong kene ke General Administrative Department kini kipur jong ki Peon Cleaner kepada hapo Meghalaya House Guwahati kita ki apply pada bulan Oktober exam tengin pulih kat kene advertisement. The result of the combined written examination to the post of Peon but Cleaner Group D in the office of the Officer on Special Duty Meghalaya House Guwahati held on 1st February 2025, 3 February Arjarsan, second mau kita gula exam is hereby declared the candidate bearing the following roll number are declared to have qualified for personal interview. Kini ki number kebal qualified nam taka personal interview. Pion roll number san penreus palai R san pis pasan po as entrepreneur lai way lai san lai pra san pra R san kendai sau. Kini kita number kita qualify nak kamtaka Pion, tegi number kita qualify namta Cleaner, ci R pra ci lai R, ini qualify berarti, ci sanpur qualify berarti, R lai way, new not sau, new way R, new way lai, new way nreu, new R not, new R. Tentang kini R ngut kita qualify R tali, ci sanpur buat ci lai R. Candidate are directed to download the call letter. Sekarang mau kini candidate kibala qualify nam ta kini post. Ba pinhaban download ika call letter ke jong pi for a personal interview from the website megrecruitment.nic.in. The personal interview will be held on 30 April. Kan mau ha live 3 April kan don ka personal interview in community room 4 main secretariat building room number 306 Ding Ye. Candidate bearing the following roll number are to report to the General Administration Department with complete document, favorite document, in original before the interview for scrutiny. Those who do not comply or found deficient will not be allowed to appear for the interview. Tangini kijung tip, tangini candidate kibal qualify, sa penbiang ki jinon kam hawede bat kini ki dokumen ki ibaro bat salek hakatarik buladab bat sa download ro ia ka call letter kajong pi. Tangini kijung tip, kulesubun.